Every year on the 25th of January, people all over the world meet together to sing the songs, read the poems composed by Robbie Burns, or Robert Burns, Scotland's bard, their national poet and hero. He was born on 25th of January 1759 in a little farmhouse in Alloway, just outside the town of Ayr in Ayrshire. And he lived a very full life. He wrote lots of poetry. He became very famous. He died very young, only at the age of 37 in 1796. But 5 years after his death, people got together to celebrate their friend Robbie Burns and to sing his songs and to read his poems. And every year since then, wherever there have been people, Scots all over the world, or wherever there have been people who have appreciated Burns's poetry, they have met and kept this tradition up. So one of the things that happens at a Burns night supper is at the very close, people stand up together, they link their hands, and they sing a song called Auld Lang Syne. And Auld Lang Syne was a song that Robbie Burns collected and improved on during his lifetime. You may have heard it on New Year's Eve. You may, usually when the bells strike 12 at midnight, people all over the world link their hands together and sing this song, Auld Lang Syne. What Auld Lang Syne means is Auld Lang Syne in Scots, or what it really means is sort of like the good old times or good old days. So it's a perfect song to sing on New Year's Eve or Old Year's Night, remembering all the good times you've had in the last year, remembering all the new friends you've made, but also looking forward to the new year. So I'm going to go over the first verse and chorus, which is what most people sing. It's a longer song or poem with different verses using quite old-fashioned Scots words that you don't hear so much now. But the first verse is this: should auld acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind, should auld acquaintance be forgot for Auld Lang Syne. What does that mean? Well, Auld Lang Syne, Auld Lang Syne for the good old days. Should auld acquaintance be forgot? Should you forget your old friends and never brought to mind, and never bring them to your memory? Should auld acquaintance be forgot? Should you forget your old friends and Auld Lang Syne and the good old times? Don't forget them. For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for the good old days, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, for the good old times. We'll tak a cup of kindness yet. Now, I don't know if any of you would have had a cup of kindness for breakfast, but a cup of kindness just means we'll have a wee drink and we'll toast each other's health and wish each other all the best. So we'll tak a cup of kindness yet, toast each other's health for Auld Lang Syne, for the good old days. So we're going to sing it together, and the next time you hear this on New Year's Eve, or if you're going to a Burns night on the 25th of January, maybe you can join in and you'll understand, this is what this means, and this was a song collected by Robbie Burns and improved by him. Interestingly, the tune that we're going to sing it to, Robbie Burns never heard his song or poem set to this music during his lifetime. It wasn't until after he died that this tune became associated with the song. So let's give it a go, folks.